Hey everyone, welcome back to IBDP Maths AA Easy. In today's video, we are going to solve question number 2 of IBDP ASL paper May 2023. In today's video, we are solving a 7-mark question on rational function covering zeros, asymptotes, and the inverse function. Let's dive right in. The function is given by fx is equals to 7x plus 7 divided by 2x minus 4 where x is not equals to. Let's go step by step. Uh, find the zeros of fx. To find the zeros of fx, set fx equal 0. That means the numerator must be 0 because a fraction equals 0 only when the numerator is 0. So 7x plus 7 is equals to 0. So when you solve this, it will give you 7x equal minus 7 and x equal minus 1. So x equal minus 1 is the 0 of the function. For the part B, we need to find out the asymptotes of the given function y equal fx. So uh, let's find out the vertical asymptote first. The vertical asymptotes occurs where the denominator becomes 0. That's where the function is undefined. So we can say the denominator equals 0. So 2x minus 4 is equals to 0. When you solve this, it will give you x equal 2. So the vertical asymptote is x equal 2. For the horizontal asymptote, compare the leading coefficients since both numerator and denominator are degree 1. So let's say I'll give you a general form for the as horizontal asymptote. Let's say fx is ax plus b upon cx plus t. So the horizontal asymptote will be the leading coefficient of numerator and denominator. So a upon c is your vertical horizontal asymptote. So now the leading coefficient for the given function fx equals 7x plus 7 upon 2x minus 4. The leading coefficient in numerator is 7 and the leading coefficients in denominator is 2. So the horizontal asymptote is y equal 7 upon 2. Now let's move to the C part. Now for the fun part, the inverse. Now we'll start with y equals 7x plus 7 upon 2x minus 4. So the very first step to find out the inverse is swap x and y. Step number 1, swap x and y. So x equals 7y plus 7 upon 2y minus 4. Now cross multiply. Step number 2 is cross multiply. So x times 2y minus 4 is equals to 7y plus 7. Now step number 3, expand. 2xy minus 4x equals 7y plus 7. Now for the step number 4, collect y terms together. That means 2xy minus 7y is equals to 4x plus 7. Step number 5, make y subject. So first we'll take y common. So y times 2x minus 7 is equals to 4x plus 7. From this, you can make y subject. So y equal 4x plus 7 divided by 2x minus 7. So this is your inverse. Now you can represent this as f inverse x is nothing but 4x plus 7 upon 2x minus 7. So we can say whenever you need to find out the inverse of a given function, first swap x and y, and then make y subject, and whatever the y you get, that will be your inverse function. Let's recap. Zeros will be x equal 1. Vertical asymptote will be x equal 2. Horizontal asymptote will is x equals 7 upon 2. And the final one C, f inverse x is 4x plus 7 divided by 2x minus 7. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more IBDP Maths Made Easy lessons, and drop a comment below with the next topic you want me to cover. Thank you.